The investing world is seeing a revolution with a whole new sector to explore, and it's called crypto. And it seems like this crypto world is rising in popularity with each passing day. By now, most of you already are familiar with the term cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and DAOs of the crypto world. But did you hear about the DeFi projects? Well, they're applications that allow you to control and own your crypto assets fully. They're also seeing some good crowds over the days. Today we'll be talking about one specific DeFi project where you can earn $2,000 a day. The DeFi project on our focus is called Drip. So what is it? Drip is a project that's able to provide passive income through smart contracts and DeFi. It was created on the Binance Smart Chain, and the Drip token can be bought with BEP20 BNB. But how does this thing work? The bedrock of Drip is a feature of paying 1% of your investment per day. Let's say that you've invested 100 drips on the platform, then you will get 1 drip every day for investing in those drips. Yes, with Drip you can earn a guaranteed 365% annual percentage yield or APY. Now, as your returns get stored on the platform, you will have two options. You can either pull that amount out and receive your 1% return of the Drip token per day, or you can hydrate or compound your earnings and compound the 1% against the new amount. By hydrating, you start to see the 3,678% APYs by the end of the year. Now, where the heck did 3,678% come from? Let's go through that. Okay, so first, say that on your first day you invest $100 on the Drip network. On the second day of your investment, you get 1% of your initial deposit, which is $1, and your total investment would cost $101. Then the second day you get 1% of your $101. If you choose to hydrate or invest that again into the network, then on the third day you'll receive 1% interest on the amount of $101, which will leave you with $102.01. And on the fourth day it'll become $103.0301. So if you put in $100 and compound daily, you would end up with $3,678 in your account instead of only $365 if you decide to pull every day's return. Enjoying this video? Why not subscribe to the channel to show us your support? So how do you start? First, you need some BNB token, which is a native token of Binance. If you have those, awesome. If not, you'll have to create a Binance account and buy BNB tokens. Then you can exchange those BNB for Drip tokens. Oh, and there is a 10% tax deduction. Did I mention that? Actually, this is the way that Drip keeps the platform sustainable. This is the way that they ensure that 1% payouts per day are by taxing each transaction at 10%. So when you're investing 1,000 drips, you're actually investing 900 drips. So your true returns on that 100 investment would only be $3,053 rather than $3,768. Not bad though. Then you'll have to put in a buddy address in the referral section. As a clever way to impulse the project, it includes a referral system. Actually, the only way to enter the project is through an invitation, so when you're going to deposit for the first time, you need to select a buddy. The idea is to choose the person who introduced you to the project. This works for everyone because there are upline and downline benefits to being part of the team, not to mention the knowledge and support of others interested in the same area. Deposit at least 1 drip and voila, you're all set on the Drip network. Now, many may wonder, if it's 1% daily APY, then the larger amount you invest, the more you can gain, so the rich can easily exploit that aspect, but Drip has that covered. There's a thing called whale tax. If you own more than 10% of the total Drip coins in circulation, then you have to pay 50% tax. More than 9% owners will pay 45% tax, then 8% pay 40%, and the list goes on. Forex Shark got it all sorted. You don't even have to start that big on this platform to get to the $2,000 mark. All you need to do is invest whatever you can afford to invest and just hydrate your 1% return every day. It won't take too long if you stay focused and keep hydrating. So, what do you think about the Drip network? Let us know in the comments below. Want to know about Vitalik Buterin's metaverse? Tap on the tab to learn more. See you in another video, Surefire gang!